This is the iZEEKER 1080p dashcam. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the quick start guide and the user manual. Over here is the dashcam itself. Right here, I have to peel the plastic off of it. Has a 3-inch screen on it, so that's actually quite nice. Reset pin in case there's any trouble. A USB cord for connecting to the computer. USB to mini USB. A little, I call this a spudger. This is a car plastic trim tool to help tuck the wire in for it. Here is the wire. Cigarette lighter plug to the appropriate connector for the camera right there. And this has a pass-through USB port on it, so if you have your cell phone or something, you can still charge that. And they give you 2 mounts for it. They give you the suction cup mount and also an adhesive mount. The adhesive mount makes it permanent. It's not permanent. You can, of course, always break that off. But if you've had a dash cam before, you may have found that the suction cup doesn't always hold it all year round. The dash cam that I currently have has a suction cup, and 3 or 4 times a year, generally at the change of season, it'll fall off and the dash cam is left there hanging by the wire. Now this is a great basic dash cam. Just front view only. There's no second camera or inside facing camera. It's just a basic dash cam that will turn on and turn off and do its job like it's supposed to. It records in 1080p and has a 170-degree lens angle on it. It also has night vision built into it, so if you're driving at night, it can capture that kind of footage for you. And of course it also has all of the big boy dash cam sensors, such as a G sensor and a parking sensor as well. Really doesn't do much good to us right here in the house, so we're going to go take this out to the car and go for a drive with it so you can see the quality of the camera. It does take a microSD card. There is not one included. So let's go take this for a drive. Alright, we're all set to go here, so off we go. Now as we go along here, I'm going to be cutting this video for time as well as speeding up portions of it. If you can make out that license plate, it's GKU4246. Student drivers, you gotta love them. We're gonna have to go around him. So we're out on the main road, 2 in the afternoon, nothing going on. Traffic is actually a little heavy, surprisingly. It's an overcast day. It can't all be peaches and cream, nice sunny day. But we're going to carry on here, and now we're going to do an audio test. You've seen videos so far, which you're going to be seeing as we go along. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the driver's window down all the way and then give you a sound sample of that. Okay, the driver's window is down. I have not changed my tone of voice whatsoever. So this is what it would sound like driving home on a nice spring day, for example. I wish it were spring, but it's not. We'll put the window back up, and it looks like we have a red light here, which just turned green. That's wonderful. And now what I'm going to do, in case it's one of those dark winter nights, about 20 degrees out, is we're going to put the heat on all the way as high as it goes. So the blower on full blast so you can see what that'll sound like. And this is what it would sound like like with the blower on high. So we'll carry on here and just give you some more footage of this. Might be able to get another license plate as we go up ahead if that light turns red. It will. And this license plate reads GVS 9521. I'm going to also shut the blower now. I think we will take this opportunity to turn up here and we can now make our way back. And we are now back from whence we came, so now we'll go ahead and close this out.
So once again, this was the iZEEKER 1080p dashcam. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.